Kani gade ka Pati CTV.
Katnat Sipai da Kapon, ka Border Security Force, ringkat ke Jintai Lang ba Katnat Director of Craftsman and Skill Development jong Sarkar Meghalaya. Kala pelong ya ka Skill Development Program ban aji hikai ki samla na ki than Kapot ban rongkam ha Katnat Sipai, Katnat Pulet, Katnat CRPF, bat kwe de Katnat Sipai jong kari. Kani ke jinga aji hikai kan long ha ki South Lenter na ka banta nrup hongon ki samla kan thai bat chenrang. Bat ya kejing aja kai lale de ki officer jong ka 11 battalion jong ka BSF ha mau pat bat umpling hakani ke si baledon lang ki kentop yo inspector general jong ka BSF UPK Dube u director Katnat Craftsman and Skill Development ubi hajong bat ki we de ki he ka BSF nalor ki khna samla ki balawan ban pentibet ilade hakani ke jing sha hikai.
Our endeavor to recruit them in Center Paramilitary Forces will convey a lot of signals to the criminal activity that there are other better careers than militancy and other criminal activities in the border. I think this state government is taking care of those aspects, but if some of them will not get recruited, then we'll try to get them some job in security agencies and other industries if they are willing. We'll tap those potentials also.
Kani gade ka Pati CTV.